In some recipes, smallness is the only criterion. No matter how big a hammer you use, you can't knock common sense into stupid people. In order to make a nuclear bomb explode, you need only a tiny neutron particle. Chain immune response reaction is a natural biological phenomenon, and any quantity of poison, large or small, will trigger it in human body. But only the immune responses, which are triggered by the smallest doses, can be used more therapeutically. The sole purpose of minimizing the poisonous dose is to minimize its toxicity and to increase the number of surplus activated immune cells. When the dose is large, most of the activated immune cells get engaged with the medicinal toxicity, and only few surplus activated immune cells can engage with the disease. But when the medicinal dose is small, the scenario is quite different from the previous one. Few activated immune cells get engaged with the medicinal toxicity, and most of the activated immune cells remain free to engage with the disease. When applied on healthy cells, minimized homeopathic medicines trigger only the immune responses without causing any deadly harm to the immune system. The doses of homeopathic poison are small enough to avoid severe damage to the patient. At the same time, they are large enough to infuriate the immune system to retaliate against the poisonous doses as well as against the target disease. In the history of medical science, Hahnemann was the first ever scientist who discovered this unique immunological aspect of poisons, that is, poisons not only kill but also infuriate the organism's defense system. He came up with the idea that, since poisons are good immune response inducers, non-harmful small doses of these poisons can be operated therapeutically to induce immune responses against any invading diseases. This homeopathic concept of manipulating the organism's immune response against medicinal poisons to cure diseases greatly echoes the modern concept of immunotherapy. The computer simulation shown in this video can essentially explain that homeopathy is not only mathematically coherent, but also accredited by the established laws of immunology and other branches of medical science.